Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Matt. I'm here with Sarah today. Sarah is having some issues with her back, so why don't you tell me a little bit about what's going on, what you've been feeling?
Well, I've been sleeping really terribly, so it's more like a lot of tension up in the neck and shoulder areas, and kind of like a little bit in the middle back.
Okay.
So just a little sore.
Any like recent injuries, falls, anything like that?
No.
Okay. Well, why don't we go ahead and stand up and we'll check your range of motion first.
Okay,
So let's go ahead and just bring your, nope,
Oh,
you can face me. And just drop your head down, chin to your chest, go as far as you can. Is that painful back here at all?
A little tension on the back of my neck doing this.
Okay, and then lift your head up and tilting back. Is that painful? Anything back here?
Just again the same spot, like right where the neck is.
Okay, and then head up. And how about tilting your head to the side? Is there any pain there?
No.
And this side?
A little.
A little bit back here?
Yeah.
Okay, and head up straight. Let's turn as far as you're able. Is there any pain there?
A little tension again right there.
All right, and then turn this way. How about there?
It's better on that side.
Better on that side? Okay. And let's go ahead and bend forward like you're going to touch your toes. Is there any pain in the back here?
No.
Okay, let's stand up straight. And how about leaning back? Any discomfort?
Oh, wait, just felt a little crack. No.
Okay. And how about tilting to the side?
Pretty good.
Okay, and twisting?
A little right here.
It's a little tight there. What do you feel, like a pinch, sharp?
Yeah, like just a little tightness.
All right, let's go ahead and sit over here. So, yep, perfect. And just have a seat, and I'm going to press down on your head and just tell me if there's any discomfort with this.
No discomfort.
Okay, and how about here? We're going to tilt back. Okay, any pain here?
A
little bit?
uncomfortable, yeah.
Okay, and let's turn this way and tilt back. How about on this side?
A little bit, the same amount.
Okay. And if I press down here, any pain?
Yeah, this whole
Real tight up through there?
Yeah.
All right, and on this side, how about there?
Yeah, some there, but worse on that side.
Okay, let's go ahead and cross your arms in front.
Like that?
So kind of like this. You're gonna bend. There you go. And any discomfort in the low back when I press?
A little bit, yeah.
A little. Does it feel achy or?
Yeah.
Okay, up here.
That's okay.
All right. Well, let's go ahead and we're gonna lay back on your back, face up. Yeah. All right. Okay, any discomfort in your lower back when we lift?
No.
Okay, just tight?
Yeah, just tight.
Okay.
No, it's just more like my whole leg.
Okay. Just need to work on some stretching maybe.
Yes, definitely.
Any pain in the lower back when I press here?
No.
Okay. Let's go ahead and move over here. Okay. Any discomfort when I press?
No. A little?
A little here?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Yeah, we're a little bit rotated over here, so that's definitely where your problem is. Yep, right there. C3 is real locked up. Just gonna loosen up here a little bit.
Oh, yeah,
You
it hurts a little bit
have a
there.
lot of headaches.
I don't, surprisingly.
Well, that's good. You said it was worse on the
Yeah, on that side, I
right
could
side?
feel it, yeah, like right there. Oof.
All right, we're gonna stretch you a little bit. So I just want you to relax your head and just kind of let it fall. Feel a good stretch there? Great, right under here.
Yeah. Well, that's so interesting.
I know, it's not a stretch you're used to feeling, is
yeah,
it?
no.
So helpful though. All right. And this side. Okay, just relax, let your head fall. There you go. Feel that?
Yeah.
Does this side feel tighter?
I feel like the other side was tighter, maybe.
Okay. All right. Next, we're going to stretch right here. Just let your head fall and just relax. How's that?
I feel it through my neck. Yeah.
All the spots that are bugging you?
Yeah. It feels kind of crazy.
So it's been a long time since you've been adjusted, right?
Yeah, it's been years. Many years.
What are you feeling?
I mean, I'm feeling like stretches in that I've never felt before, that's for sure.
No, what are you feeling like as far as anticipation?
Oh.
Feeling pretty nervous?
I'm kind of nervous. I feel like it's gonna be interesting, to say the least.
I think I agree.
Yeah. Probably lots of cracks.
Well, we're about to find out. Okay, just relax your head, just let it fall. Imagine you're laying your head on your bed at home.
Ooh! Oh my god! what was that? Oh my god!
That was it.
Whew, okay, that
All
was
right.
crazy.
You ready? We're gonna
Yeah.
get the other side.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Starting to get a little flush.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
Very nice.
I didn't even know that was. Oh my god! How did you do that? I didn't even know that was possible for my head.
I went to school for a long time.
I didn't know it was possible for my head to make those sounds.
Yes.
Oh my
Everybody
God.
makes them. All right, let's
Wow.
scoot down.
Wow. That was so loud.
All right. So we'll take a big deep breath. Let's keep your hands on your shoulders for me. Try to relax them here. And breathe out and lay back.
Ooh.
Middle back is really tight. Okay, just lay back, relax. Nice. Okay, one more.
Ooh.
Got it. All right. This one's always fun. Go ahead and relax your leg. Just gonna give it a little tug.
Falling a little bit. Ooh.
It's all right. I'm not gonna pull you off the table. All right, and just relax your leg. Yeah, your knee was a little off there too.
My knees sometimes do feel a little off, but I don't know. That was a thing.
All right, let's lay on your side facing me. All right, head goes up here. Okay, we're gonna bring this up. Okay, right there. And we're just gonna roll forward, take a deep breath, breathe out, and just let your legs fall. Just let them fall down towards the ground. There you go.
Ooh.
Nice.
Wow.
All right, this way.
Okay. What do I do in my arms again?
I'll get you there. Okay. Let's scoot forward just a little bit. There you go. Keep this leg straight. Okay, hands here. And just relax your arms. Okay, let your legs fall forward. There you go.
Ooh. Ooh.
Not as much on that side.
Wow.
All right,
Yeah, the other side
let's
was
sit up.
more.
And let's turn and face me. And we're gonna put your hands on your hips. Okay, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna press back with your elbow right here. Push back really hard. Hard as you can. There it goes.
Ooh.
All right, and let's bring this up just a little bit. Okay, same thing here. Push back real hard. Real hard. There it goes. Nice. All right, relax. All right. How your wrists and elbows feel?
Pretty good.
Not bugging you?
Maybe this wrist.
Yeah, you said something was up with your thumb.
Arm usually, yeah.
Let's see.
This thumb usually has something. Ooh. Oh, I can feel that. Wow.
All right, that feels good. All right, how's your neck feel?
It feels honestly a lot better.
Yeah, it's amazing.
That's crazy.
Move your head back and then down. Does that feel more comfortable to do?
Way better.
Good.
It's not tight as it was
Perfect.
before. Yeah.
Awesome. Well, I'm glad you feel better.
Thank you.
And that's it for today.